up, guys? We're here again, and Maryland's really shitty weather. Yesterday it was like 60 degrees, and now it's like 40 and windy and cold as hell. But I'm here with my buddy Devin. We're at Troy's house, you know what I'm saying? Got the V-ski out, but we're about to install these. He got some smoked headlights because someone hit him. Kept the check. That's a smart thing to do with these older cars. You keep the check, and it's easier to get parts and replace them and all. But we're gonna replace this fender. Hopefully, you get these headlights in too. So first thing we gotta do is take these bolts off. I think it's just these two bolts right here, and then this bolt right here, and then we should be good. Oh, does it have an extension or no? We might have to go get an extension. Reach this. If you got, what is that, 3/8? But we just gotta get those out. We're gonna pop these headlights out. Might leave this one out so we can get the fender off, and then we'll just go from there. Get this Del Sol all bipped up, you know? So like everything in life, you gotta go the extra mile. So apparently we gotta take this front bumper off, or might be able to just take this off.
This is the here, move it. Thanks, sir.
We're gonna
look at that. I just broke the tool. Oops. Too much power.
Shit. That's
too much power.
Hey yo.
Here, give me a.
Here, I got you. Use this one here.
This is ridiculous.
Yo was ready about MacGyver the fucking.
I was ready MacGyver.
Like I'm gonna just use the channel locks and then that.
I was gonna MacGyver that shit. I just like this bit. It digs way better. It's way fatter.
Oh, that's what you like, you fucking gay guy.
Yeah.
So we're probably gonna take the wheel off, jack it up.
Yeah,
put your e-brake on. I got my jack and shit.
I mean, I got a fucking e-brake on here.
Oh yeah, it's a manual, kid. It's a manual, kid.
Yeah, because there's a bolt right here for the fender.
Yeah.
All right.
You got a jack?
Yeah, I got right there, baby.
So basically, you gotta go through a lot of shit to get this going.
See if we can just get the side skirt.
We're gonna make it happen real good. Real good.
Bust it, shine, bust it, bust it.
So we're gonna see if he can be a magician and save us from doing all that shit. Probably not. We're probably not gonna end up doing all that anyway, but it's okay because I want to use my new tools I got. You know what I'm saying, for the roadside assistance, because you know your boy does the roadside assistance.
Don't call me that, dog.
My man's Troy laying down with the foams on.
Clean too.
Ooh, he said I work clean. You know what I'm saying?
Don't play.
I'm fly with everything I do, baby.
Yeah.
Everything.
3.
Alright, we're getting these two bolts off for the fender, and then hopefully that's all we need to get the fender off.
The last top bolt, but that's it.
Thanks to this handy big boy drill. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get this all here. Just disconnect it from this
Which
part
one?
of the bumper. Open the door.
We're almost there.
That's gonna be the tough one to get.
Got all them. Is that the last one?
Yeah, besides the fender right here.
Oh my pussy.
You got it. Might have one up in this one.
Underneath here.
Yeah, that's because you gotta drop this bumper down.
That's how I beat my meat.
Should be the last screw here.
Alright.
You got one fender clip.
Little clip right there.
Just yank it, it'll come.
That's what she said.
Alright, we got it.
There it is.
There it is. Now you should just drive like
Look
that.
how bent your mount point is.
Yeah.
Fuck it, I can whip it like this. Looks good.
Hell yeah. So we got the new fender on, and we test fitted one of the headlights. That shit looks way better now. So we got the matte, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get the Supreme on there, and it'll be lit, you know? Hey, we should walk around. We should walk around the store.
We're definitely doing some pranks with this thing.
Yo, we should.
He's got a microphone now too. Go blow it up, bring it back out. Toilet paper, Donald Trump toilet paper.
That's funny as hell. You can actually wipe your ass with this.
Go blow it up, bring it back out.
So we're trying to get the second one on now. It's looking pretty good so far.
Get out the car. New CTS-V driver. Dick. Hey, how you doing, bud? Good. My man, he got a new girlfriend over here.
I see, man. She looking alright.
Tell you right, she got holes everywhere.
That's it. It's got real penetrating holes.
Yeah, like she got a butthole.
Damn, that bitch ain't that deep though.
It's not deep.
No, not at all.
It's the Asian special,
Yeah,
you know?
can she shoot out her nipple?
Sure, fucking bottom out on this.
Yeah, alright.
You can shoot out her nipple. That's what it looks like. Oh no.
Hey yo, that's a butthole too.
Yeah. It has a butthole? How this bitch deeper than the vagina? Real shit. Put your hand in the pussy.
I'm good.
Put your hand in the pussy. Come on, man. That's not that deep, is it?
Nah.
Nah, look at the butthole.
Yo, y'all are really inspecting this
Hey yo!
out front of my house in front of everybody.
So you know what I'm saying? We got, what's her name? Yo, we should walk around like Target with this. Like,
Fuck it, go ahead. Let me see.
He's like,
you know what I'm saying? Got me that side hoe.
I see, man. You looking alright?
some of the final pieces on. Got the fender on.
Coming up on the last parts, putting the bumper back on, got the new headlights in.
Looking like a fucking.
Looking like a gem, they look real good. The neon blue lights in there.
Oh look, Scooter Kid.
Scooter Kid!
Scooter Kid!
Put it up.
Fuck Scooter Kid.
Scooter
My
Kid.
man just got that for Christmas.
Right, yeah.
Early Christmas present.
Early gift. That's like the 10th time he's been down the street.
Fender not matching too. It's matte and gloss, but
Better than a big dent.
it'll work. Better than a.
The body lines even match up perfect.
Body lines are perfect.
Being an aftermarket fender.
Perfect. Perfect. Look at this single cam. Look at this horse right here.
Turbo coming.
Turbo, twin turbo,
Coming soon.
coming soon.
Fucking pussy.
You got this, man?
Yeah, I'm not even cold anymore. I'm like actually getting hot.
You getting hot bothered?
Snap your
yeet.
wrist like that a little bit.
Yeet, I wasn't prepared for this little guy.
A little torque.
Snap your wrist,
Torque,
buddy.
little Jimmy John.
Bumper's
got-
going back on.
Honda.
Honda. Not people be on
You ever
videos
see that Honda rap?
selling their car.
95.
This is how they sell their car on eBay. Got a Honda.
Like, ain't no one gonna see your Honda, bro.
Right.
Well, I mean, it's a collector's item. It's
What kind of drill are you using, man? It's fucking Bauer.
So,
This guy hooked me up, man.
let's check these out. We got the new headlights in. You feel me? Got the new fender on. Shut the hood, see what she looked like.
See if the hood closes proper. You
Probably
Idiot.
should get this up. Fucking stupid.
Summit.
Bam!
This looks good.
Hell yeah. Really fresh. Now you just need some coilovers, some wheels.
Look at
Be good.
that fresh John.
Turn the goddamn lights on.
Why do they still look fucking white?
Wow.
Because they're not HIDs, they're just like, yeah, they're not HIDs, they're just blue,
There'll be a color at night, a little tint to them.
but not like fully blue.
They're just tinted bulbs.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see a different
But
color
that's
at nighttime.
how you install a fender and some headlights on a Del Sol, 1997, you feel me? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
This my shit.
So we were here with Chuck, you know what I'm saying? The video's not over. I thought it was gonna be over, but it's not, you know, because we're doing this. So we're gonna try to get a cold start. Hopefully it starts up. It's on 85. That's lit. It smells so good. I love V85. Oh, it smells amazing.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me.
Hopping in the Mustang. I've never been in this car before. So we're gonna see what this thing's about. Get my reaction on it. Let me lay onto it. But what are we doing?
We're just gonna do a little pull. We gotta clean tires. It's been sitting, so we're gonna get
You said the flat spots?
Yeah, we're just gonna get the flat spots.
Get the
out.
flat spots out. These are slicks, right?
Radio Pro.
Radio Pros. Okay. So this is gonna be fun.
And we're gonna put a little heat in it to get it warmed up.
Get it nice and warm. Just like I like my vagina.
I see, man. You looking alright?
It's got a great blow.
Do the blow off real quick.
I'll wait till we get it better.
Can already feel it. We gotta warm it up a little bit because you obviously don't want to just.
Gotta get a little heat in it first.
You gotta get the juice in there, baby. This sounds so good. I love Procharger noises. It's so nice. It sounds so good. Makes my weenie hard. Damn. That bitch feels good.
Oh, she's nasty.
And that was just a little teeny tiny.
Black marks the left right there.
Oh shoot, that's crazy. Once we get out of this curve, we're gonna boost her up. That bitch was rolling. That feels so good, yeah.
Bouncing.
Hell yeah, that felt fucking.
My seatbelt's locked.
Yes.
She's fucking moving today.
I know, cause it's cold.
Oh, my seatbelt's locked in place.
Hey yo, that was crazy.
It's pretty nasty, huh?
Hey Chuck, if you're watching this, I approve. God damn. Oh, I didn't know we were gonna do
I'm just gonna have to pedal a little bit.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard. That was a pull right there.
Hell yeah, baby. Actually, I mean, you had to pedal a little bit, but
yeah, I had to pedal for the first 2 gears. But then once got in third,
once she started going, she was gone.
it hooked in third and it was moving.
Hell yeah. Oh shit.
I was just creeping off the brake. This bitch is
all right.
last pull.
God damn.
I know Chucky heard that one.
Right. He's probably in there like, hell yeah, that's my bitch.
That's my bitch. Get the jacks out.
Definitely got the flat spots out of there, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.